Table of content. What is data science? Who is data scientist? First, let's see what is data science. Data science is a blend of various tools, algorithms, and machine learning principles with the goal to discover hidden patterns from the raw data. You might think, how is this different from what statisticians have been doing for years? The answer lies in the difference between explaining and predicting. Analysts, business administration, exploratory data analysis, data scientists, machine learning and advanced algorithms, data product engineering. A data analyst usually explains what is going on by processing history of the data. On the other hand, data scientist not only does the exploratory analysis to discover insights from it, but also uses various advanced machine learning algorithms to identify the occurrence of a particular event in the future. Data science applications: banking, fraud detection and credit risk modeling, finance, strategic decision making and risk analytics, manufacturing, predicting potential problems and automating manufacturing units, healthcare, drug discovery and virtual assistant.
If you are new here, consider subscribing. Also, to learn more, hit the bell icon to never miss an update from MD Technology.